So with the media recently, there's been so much negativity in regards to social media in general. So today, I want to talk to you about the topic of all the positive aspects of social media. So I think one of the biggest things that social media has allowed us to do is to be more connected. If you look back in time, there's been never a civilization as connected as we are today. Also, social media has a lot of positive effects. Think of it this way. As soon as a kidnap happens or armed robbery or anything, I mean, people have their phones out there taking pictures or recording.
Authorities launching an urgent hunt for the child, issuing a statewide Amber Alert, posting this photo of the suspect's vehicle on social media. Around 2:30 a.m., two vigilant church members spotting that vehicle in the parking lot of this hotel, about 10 miles away from where Salem was taken. Officers busting through the door.
You know, I recently had, a friend who owns a car dealership, right? And he had some cars stolen. But as soon as he posted, and within like 2 hours, people were commenting, hey, I saw this vehicle with this color, blah, blah, blah. And they catch the guy within like 2.5 hours, and I mean, that's powerful stuff. And I think, social media kind of helps, just expose the community with crime too. We're also such a wiser consumer because of social media. People are smarter. They understand what they're buying. We're able to research. There's so much information on social media alone. We can look at reviews and know if we should buy from someone or do business with them. Those are all positive things. Communication's traveling at such a quicker rate. And also, we're just more connected. There's so much information out there that we can research and find. Hey, that's social media in a nutshell from a positive standpoint.